Hi yo, today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to wig your hair. Okay, so this is going to be a beginner friendly video. If you're a beginner or you're a professional, you really need to watch this video because this video is going to be detailed. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to wig a hair. Okay, you just save some cash and do it yourself. So as you can see, I started off by putting my wig cap on top of the hair. So if there are excess wig cap remaining, all you have to do is sew it according to your size. This is how to sew to shape your wig cap. Okay. You have to sew with a needle, or you can sew with a machine. Anyone you feel like doing, you can do it. Okay. You can see the after look. Then you start off by placing your lace nets. Okay. Make sure to bring out ½ inch in the front. Make sure you place your lace net properly before you start sewing, okay? Bring out ½ inch in the front. It's very, very necessary to bring out ½ inch in the front. Then use your T-pin to hold the lace onto the net. As you can see, it's placed properly, okay? Then you start sewing your lace net onto your wig cap. Okay, and make sure before you start sewing your lace net, you sew the lines. Don't give too much gap. Okay, sew the lines closely to each other. As you can see, sew the line closely to each other. Then after that, you start by marking out. This is where you are going to sew in your weft. Your hair weft. This is where you're going to sew it. So you'll be marking out 2 inches. You'll be giving out 2 inches gap, and on top of this line, that's where you are going to sew in your lace net. Very simple, right? So this is how it looks after you are done marking. You mark from the other end to the other end, then you start sewing. Whether you can choose to use your needle to sew, or you can choose to use your machine to sew. Okay, but just make sure that you are sewing the hair on top of the lines that you marked. Okay, this is going to give you a very good and neat work. Very simple, right? So guys, I have to fast forward it so that the video is not going to be long. That's why I had to put some fast forward. But everything I did here was just to sew the hair, my bundle, on top of the lines that I marked. As you can see, I make sure I sew carefully. I don't give too much gap. You can choose to use a needle, or you can choose to use a machine for a very neat work. Please guys, press the like button please, so that this video is going to go viral, please. So you sew your hair weft on top of the lace net. Okay, this is to hold the lace net, to hold it onto the cap too. Okay, then after you are done, you are gradually going to cut off the excess wig cap in the front. You turn it over like I did, then gently cut it off. You have to be careful here so you won't make any mistake and cut the thread. Hope you get it, guys. Gently cut it. cut off the excess lace. So this is cutting it off is going to give it a more natural look. It's going to beautiful in the front, giving it a more natural look. Because if there is that black cap, the black net cap is going to be showing the net, and it's not going to be nice at all. Okay, so when you are done, all you have to do is pluck out some hairs, some baby hairs. Pluck out some baby hairs, pluck it out, then you style anyhow you want it. I just decided to style it in this video, so you guys are going to see how it looks. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, any video requests you have, drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to see to it. Okay, I'll reply all comments, and please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel, because I'll be bringing more videos like this. More tutorials are yet to come. Okay, so if you watch this video up to this end, then you are the real MVP. Yay! Thank you so much for watching this video up to this end. See you in my next video. Bye.